Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic compatibility, which Windows version and whether you need 32 or 64-bit. Once done, temporarily pause real-time antivirus or set an exception so the installer does not get quarantined. This prevents false positives. Next, download the official CPU-Z package. Choose the installer for a one-click setup or ZIP if you prefer portable use. Install immediately and accept the prompts. This gets the executable on your system and prepares you to run the tool without delays. You run the installer as administrator and follow the dialog. Agree to terms, choose installation path, and create a desktop shortcut if desired. After launching CPU-Z, inspect the primary tabs. CPU shows model, core clocks, and multipliers. Caches lists cache sizes. Mainboard and memory reveal chipset and timings. Once you understand the layout, use the validate function or save report to export txt/html files for later comparison. This ensures you can track changes or prove. You finish by exporting results and optionally running the built-in bench to get single and multi-thread scores. Bench values help you compare stability before and after tweaks. Save SBD and mainboard screenshots or report files for upgrade planning or vendor support. If CPU-Z fails to run or shows odd values, first rerun it as administrator, update your chipset and GPU drivers, and make sure the app is whitelisted in antivirus. These steps resolve driver conflicts and permission blocks most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.